What's up guys, welcome to Top Phone for You. In today's video I'm gonna go through to see if we can get G-Space working and access the Play Store on this device. This is the Huawei P50 Pro and it's running HarmonyOS 2.0. So let's have a look and see if we can install G-Space and access the Play Store that way. Since it's not possible to install the Play Store on the actual device, yeah, as you can see there, I managed to install a few apps. I've got Google Chrome is there and it's working fine. I'm just gonna go back. As you can see there, everything seems to be working fine. I've got the Google keyboard set as default, and as you can see, everything seems to work as it should. YouTube by using the quick app center, and then I've got Google Meeting that way, Google Classroom. So you have a few apps. We can install Facebook. I'm just gonna open the app gallery and then let's search for G-Space. Then it will install the first one in there. Just install it. That has been installed now, so let's go and find the app, then open it up. Start, allow again, continue, then that will download There you go. So it's up and running. So just it's up on Google and then sign in. So you get a notification there saying the G-Space is a virtual device and the model is to use the Huawei P50. So you'll get a notification saying your account was logged into a Huawei P30 instead of the P50 Pro. So just type in your Gmail account to log in. Then agree the terms and conditions. Then scroll down and then accept. So please note this is a virtual app. It's not installed on the current phone, so it's just running like a virtual machine, which allows you to run a few apps. Let's try and install any app and see if it will work. Install YouTube, then install. Let's see. That's installed, so let's go back, and then there you go. YouTube is there installed, and YouTube is there running fine. There you go. So YouTube is working fine. Now let's see how to get a shortcut to your screen. So you just tap and hold on the icon on the YouTube, and then tap on create shortcut, and then go to app, find the G-Space. To create home shortcut, you just allow, and then that will be able to create the shortcut for you. You just need to allow it in the permission, and then now when you click create shortcut, and then add, and there you go. So YouTube is there. At the moment, to access the Play Store, you can just tap and hold, and then just to upgrade, and then it will take you to the App Store, and then you can just that way you can search for any app on there and install it. So the next thing I'm going to show you how to create a Play Store shortcut on there. So I'm just going to go open the browser and then go to www.topphoneforyou.com. Accept, and then go to the tutorial section. Tap on the menu on the top corner and then go to the tutorial. Close that. Then scroll down and find the video about creating a shortcut. Once you find this video how to create shortcut, just tap on that to download the file. Consent, and then tap on download, and as you can see there, it has downloaded for you. Okay, once you download the file, open Petal Search, and then just now search for shortcut maker. Search, then go to the app, and then install the shortcut maker there. Install it, download, setting, allow Petal Search to install the app, and then install anyway. That's done. That has been installed. Now that you have downloaded that file from my website and you have the shortcut maker installed, you just need to go onto the file browser, and then internal storage, then download, and then you'll see the file you downloaded from my website. You just tap on it and then select others at the bottom, and then select the shortcut maker, and then do always, and then you'll see there, and then you just tap on create shortcut at the bottom. You need to allow go onto the settings again, because you need to allow shortcut maker to create shortcut onto your home screen. So you need to go into apps and services, apps, and find the shortcut maker. Scroll down to the bottom, there it is, and then go onto permission, and then you see where it says create home shortcut. You just say you need to allow it, and then storage, allow, and then now if you go back onto the file explorer, just go back and then tap on that, and then go to others, and then select the shortcut maker, always, and then create shortcut, and then add. And that way, there you go. So you have the App Store there. There you go. So every time you want to open it, you can just tap on it, and then you have the App Store open. You just install Gmail. And there you go. So once it's installed, you just tap and hold, and then create shortcut, and then add, and your app is there. So that's how you can access the Google Play Store on your device running HarmonyOS. Thank you for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.